Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here and I'm a health coach. I've been speaking about how everything out there is in habit, whether it's a habit of not able to do exercise, or it's a habit of waking up early, or it's a habit of eating good nutritious food, or it's a habit of eating junk food, or it's a habit of thinking all the time that nothing is working for me, or it's a habit of thinking that everything is working for me. I'm in my lack or I'm in the abundance of the universe, which gives me everything every time without even asking for it. So, everything out there, whether it is your action, whether it is your thoughts, everything out there is in habit. So, let's today understand how do I get out of my old habit, which is not serving any purpose for me, and it is making me, and I am in my life there where I don't want to be. How from there, how do I form a new habit to the life I want to be? So how do I change my life? How do I get there where I want to be? So even if it's a habit of procrastination, and even if it's a habit of doing everything perfectly, everything out there, if it is not serving any purpose to you today and now, you need to change it to form the life you want to form. So let's understand how do you form this new habit. So let me take a very general example of eating nutritious food, because I am somebody who has a vision of creating or making everyone healthy out there. So I would want to see a disease free world, and for which my this is my just a small gesture of making these videos for the same. So since I'm speaking about health, let me take a habit which is about eating nutritious food. So how do you get there? Everyone eats nutritious foods every day, but there are times when we tend to eat junk, and we tend to eat junk a lot. Okay, so let's form a habit of being healthy. So for that, it's important you have a mental and physical health. So let's take one simple habit of eating or drinking water every day. Okay, let's just take a general habit of drinking 1 liter of water every day, or getting up early in the morning, or exercising every day. So anything that you want to do and you're not able to do, let's take one habit there. And how do you form this new habit? First of all, understand that when you are actually you the old habits cannot be, you know, just removed from your life. It has to be replaced by a new habit. So the old habit will only help you to form a new habit. So any habit which you have out there, you have to understand these are series of action you have been doing since long. So it's not easy for you to get there so easily. Many times what people do is like, okay, I have to reduce my weight by 10 kg, so I will start walking in the morning, I will start eating good food, I will do intermittent fasting, I will see to it that I eat on time. So everything at a time they start doing it, and what happens is they do start it, but sometimes they are not able to achieve it. Some people are able to achieve it, some people are not able to achieve it. So I'm speaking about the people who are not able to achieve it. What happens is that you do too many things at a time, and then at one point of time you're not able to keep it up to it. What's important is that I do a change which is easy for me on everyday basis and consistently. Unless you do it consistently, you don't form a habit. You just achieve your goal, but you are not forming a habit of health. And I'm here to help you form this habit of being healthy. So if we take one example of eating salad every day. Okay, now there will be a challenges of I go to work, how do I get a salad? I don't get time to eat on in lunch on time. So how do I make it happen for myself? So for that, what's important is that you set a reminder. So the reminder can be a reminder on your phone in the form of alarm for you to pick up a salad and keep it in your box, or reminding your person or your cook or your wife or anybody to keep that salad ka dabba in your bag, or any kind of reminder which can link it to the old habit pattern, like If I'm the person who get up early in the morning and start, looking at my phone, then I put a small reminder at 5 o'clock when I get up for me to do that action immediately. So any kind of reminder is okay. So you can keep it. You have to link this reminder with the existing habit which you have. So the list of things which we do every day, from brushing of teeth to doing puja to getting up and getting ready. So you can put a reminder in the cupboard, you can put a reminder on the fridge, you can put a reminder on your study table, anywhere where you usually visit and there is a habit out there. So any old habit which you have, you can link this habit with the existing old habit, and that's how you will be able to remember to do it. So first thing is memory out there by setting a reminder, then the action. So make it an easy way to do it for you so that you cannot say no. So if it is like I don't like salads a lot, then start with something from those salad, from cucumber, carrot, to beat anything that you can relate to and you can like. So you can just start with one cucumber a day, but remember to take it before lunch. So that's something which you can start with, something which you cannot say no. So if you like cucumber with a pinch of a salt, you can just take it with that. Or a chaat masala, you can just take it with that. To start with something which you can easily not say no. Start an action in a way that can be consistent every day. So if you don't like cucumber every day and you are a person who gets cold very easily, then you can replace it with carrot, or you can replace with any kind of green veggies also. So there can be a lettuce. Just see that you parboil those vegetables which are like leafy, because many times there are a lot of things which it may go unnoticed. So see to it that you little boil it up and then take those salads in the tiffin. So that's the one thing. So first is the cue, a reminder, then is the consistency of the action. So take an action which you can easily not say no. Okay. And third is the reward. The reward can be a small positive talk to your own self. Good, today you did it. Good, Deepa, that was very nice. Or awesome, I'm so happy that I did it today. Or when you do it every day, then that itself becomes a reward that I am able to achieve it. See, the whole purpose of this habit is to make you a person who is consistent and is able to achieve whatever he wants in his life. So you have to become that person, and that is also a habit. Everything out there can happen only when you do it. It doesn't happen only in your mind, it happens in your actions too. So it's the reminder, then the routine that you set in by doing the action every day, and then the reward to your own self in the form of positive self-talk. And that's how the habit forms. Just do it for 21 days and then the habit is formed. And then when you see your health blooming, you see yourself with lot of energy out there, you don't see yourself tired anymore, you feel a gist of life to do things, you see yourself looking forward to a new day, that itself is a very big reward for your own self. Disease is also a habit. Health is also a habit. Choose wisely where you want to be. I would be very happy to inspire out there and motivate you, but your motivation should come from within. Your motivation should be easy for you, and your motivation should be in line with your life. What you desire, you can always achieve. Become that person who loves his life and her life too, to be what he wants to be. Saying so, I leave you with a note out there to look for a habit which you would want to start today to change the life you want to change and to be the person you want to be. Thank you. See you again.